In today's video, we'll be comparing the TicWatch Pro 5 with the TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro. If you find our content helpful, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. You'll find all the links in the description below if you're interested in learning more about or picking up one of these devices. Now let's dive into the comparison. Design. Body material. Watch strap. Dimensions. Weight. Waterproof. Buttons. Display. Size. Resolution. Type. Pixel density. Refresh rate. Brightness. Watch faces. Always on display. Performance. Chipset. CPU. GPU. RAM. Storage. Sports modes. Operating system. Compatible app. Battery. Capacity. Charging type. Charging time. Typical use time. Connectivity. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. SIM card. Network. GPS. NFC. Motion sensors. Health sensors. Optical heart rate sensor. SpO2. Sleep tracking. Stress tracking. Menstrual cycle tracking. ECG. Body composition measurement. Additional features. Voice assistant. Mic. Speaker. Recording. Music control. Stopwatch. Result. Price. What's the best choice for you? Please drop a comment below. It's very important to us. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to join our community. Before you go, check out this other video that's appearing on your screen. I'm sure you'll love it. Thank you for watching. Bye.